to another. Alright guys, so I know you guys were singing along. Alright, so for this look, it's actually a flag inspired look. So emancipation and independence are coming up soon, and I just want to share some look with you guys that you can wear out. So in support and solidarity of our country, Jamaica. I hope you enjoyed the look, guys, and stay tuned to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that red button down below. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Alright guys, so this is gonna be a talk through video. I'm excited about that because normally my background is super noisy, so I don't get to talk to you guys, and I would prefer if I would talk to you guys and not do a voiceover. So it's more of a connection thing between you guys and myself. Alright, so starting off, I'm going to prime my lips with my lids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Warm Honey, but I just look for a lighter shade that I have, and that's just basically what I prime my lids with. Alright, so a little bit on my lids here. Right, let me actually use my mirror and not try to use my camera. Right. Alright guys, so over the next couple of maybe weeks or so, I'm going to be doing a few of independence or emancipation look for you guys. For my Jamaican subscribers, you guys would understand that our independence or emancipation is coming up soon. For my overseas followers, you guys are just gonna think that okay, Pattiiluvz is doing a whole lot of green and yellow and black looks, but just beforehand I got concealer under my eyes. Great. Alright, we'll work with it. We'll work with it. Yeah, so you guys are probably gonna say, oh, you know, Pattiiluvz is doing a whole lot of green and yellow looks, but no, I'm going to be doing a lot of independence inspired looks, because I mean the place is opening up little by little, so you guys are gonna hopefully get to go somewhere for independence, and you can use some of these looks. Alright, so after using my let me just try to get it as alright, so I have my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, holy grail. So I'm just going to use the cover here, so whatever residues on the cover, that's what I'm actually going to dip the same brush in. And this brush is, guys, I'm not really one for tools and using the same palettes. I think once you get the color right for you guys to recreate this look, you just need to have the color in mind. Like when I do my looks, I actually do look at beauty gurus and other influencers and people like that, but I rarely, unless I'm doing a recreation like to the T for somebody else look, I rarely just follow every single thing that they do. I don't. I think makeup is a creative art, and it's a great way for a person to express themselves. So I don't think it makes any sense for you to just follow what someone else is doing exactly to the T. Like you don't change up any color or nothing, just exactly what them gear that they get them back. So I don't like that. So that's why I don't really tell you guys, oh, you know, I'm using this brush. But if you guys are interested, I actually bought the Real Techniques brush set. This is the deluxe crease brush. This is actually see, I'm so bad at it already. So this is the 300 Real Techniques brush. Alright guys, so my first color is my transition shade is going to be this green here. You guys may be familiar with this green from my last look. So it's just any intense green. I'm going to use that as my first transition shade. light lime green. Oh Lord, light lime green. And I'm going to put that a little bit over where I have my green. Alright. I'm using like a really fluffy brush because this is just going to be like blending in it. And this is just a pre transition shade for my real shade, because over this you guys will see in a few that I'm actually going to just add yellow. So I'm going to use the same brush. I just kind of dusted it off, same brush, and I'm going to go in with my yellow. I think I'm going to go in with this yellow here. It's kind of vibrant, so that's the yellow I'm going in with. Ooh. Okay, let me dust some of that off. Let me dust some of that off real quick for you guys, because so as per usual from the other day, what I've been using to cut my crease is actually my Pattiiluvz base in the shade number 1. It's rumor number 1. So I'm going to use my flat top brush and basically cut my crease. Alright, so I'll get back when I start cutting my crease, guys. Alright guys, so after doing my cut crease, what I'm gonna do is to use the same brush that I used to set my eyelids, to just kind of pat it down to kind of set it, because I don't want it to be wet when I'm adding products to it, so it transfers onto like the top of my lid or anything like that. So I'm just kind of setting it. There's nothing that I put on the brush, but it would have been powder left from me setting earlier. So alright, now it's time for the fun part. As though this was fun, right? Alright guys. Alright, so yeah, so we're gonna add some colors to the lid. This is going to really bring out, so me adding my transition shade, as you can see, it's really light and a little bit washed out. We're gonna get back that intensity with the colors on the lid. Yeah. Alright, so first I'm going to do green. So, which is the intense green in the middle here. I'm gonna be adding that to the corner of my right here. Alright, so I'm going to do the same with the other eye, and I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna use the intense yellow here. And that's going in the middle Like, why not? Alright, so now that I have the look like this, I want to darken up the outer portions. So I'm going to use my black. I'm going to put some black on the outer crease and just kind of darken it up so it's not just, I don't know, so flat. Guys, have you hit that subscribe button yet? Like, I hope you have. Okay, so clearly you guys can see I got eyeliner on the yellow, like on the yellow, of all the colors on the yellow. Alright, so I'm gonna finish lining my eyes and then I'm going to try to correct it. It's okay, Pat. It's okay. On the yellow. Could I go anywhere else? Could I go on the green? Could I work with it? But it go on the yellow. Gosh, base on the little brush that I had it in. I'm just gonna dab it on the spot, like right here. So wipe out the brush now. I'm going to try to blend that little dab that I just did. And with that done, I'm going to take the yellow and try to put it back over that. I really hope you guys can see how I'm attempting to fix it. Alright guys, so I am going to do my face off camera and then I'm gonna come back to you guys because I don't want to make the video too long, so I'm not doing my face on the camera. But yeah, I'm gonna do my face off camera and I'll get back to you guys. So I'm not getting the intensity I want for the yellow, So I'm going to try to put a little bit of my alright, let me try to use as pack on as much yellow as I can, and if that doesn't work out, then I'm going to try to use my jumbo pencil. Guys, so all put together. However, my lips, they're bare. However, I want my eyes to be the star of the show. I want this Jamaica flag on my eyes to be everything. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of gloss on, and that's basically just what I'm gonna do. I'm not going to line my lips or anything. Oh, so just some gloss is what I'm just gonna do. And because I don't have my lips lined, I'm gonna try to keep it in the middle of my lips because I don't want it to be too crazy. So I'm gonna wipe off the corner, all the corners. That's all it is, just some gloss. No lip or nothing, just some gloss. Alright guys, so I am going to get everything ready for you guys, and then I will be right back.
I said smile, yeah, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica.